In today's video, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways to make responsive coding and design so much easier. Let's get right into it. So one of the first things you can do is using Flexbox. So I'll open my browser up here. I've got 3 items in a Flex container. As I resize the browser, the space between them is automatically adjusted. And when it gets too close, it automatically splits the items apart. Too close, splits them apart. You can do that with the property of FlexWrap. I'll leave a link to a site that can explain Flexbox completely to you. Like 20-30 minutes, you'll be done. And another thing you can do is if you don't want the items to be resizing, what you can do is add a media query and then change the flex direction to column. So let me resize this. Anything above 1000 pixels will remain like this and automatically change the space. But once you get to 1000 pixels, it changes the flex direction to column. Then the next thing is using variable fonts. By variable, I mean it changes with the size of the screen. So right here, I've set the font size to be related to the maximum length of a screen, whether it's the width or height. So 10 Vmax will be 10 of whatever is the longer one. For my laptop, it's the width, so 10 of the width. Going down here, you can see it's 10 of the width. As I change the width, the size of the font changes with it. But once the height is more than the width, it doesn't resize, it just moves. See how cool that is. If you want it to be particularly one, you can change the Vmax to vertical height, vertical width, or the smaller one, vertical minimum. See that? The smaller one right now is the height, I believe, and that changes to this. Yep. And then last but not least, it's using different pictures for different sizes. You can do this with the picture tag. A lot of people don't know this, and it's really useful. So let me resize my browser real quick and check this out. So at over 1000 pixels, we have this picture of a puffin. We go lower, we get a picture of a monkey. Keep going lower, and you get a picture of a panda. We can do this with the picture tag. So in the picture tag, you keep your sources and the image. The image is the default one, and the sources are the ones where they show conditionally. I've kept here media min width 10,000 pixels, so it has to be 10,000 pixels or below. Then this image will show 800 pixels, rather more, 10,000 pixels or more, 800 pixels or more, and this will show. It's similar to the image tag, except instead of using the source attribute, you use the source set. And that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.